Hi there, Natalie with you today to show you the unboxing of the November 2020 add-on kit. And this month we have two add-on kits. We have a small run of our Christmas kit, which I'm sure Shannon's already showed you what is coming in this kit, and it's a beautiful kit. There's honestly very limited amount of kits available, so make sure you pick one up. And then I'm going to show you what comes in the fall kit. And this kit is gorgeous, packed with the latest collection, and it's beautiful. That's all I have to say. Trina made a beautiful work with this kit. So as always, you're gonna get a selection of cardstock. You're gonna get a sheet of white basil cardstock, and also this light gray American Crafts cardstock. This month the selection of papers come from 4 different collections. This paper here is from Jen Hatfield, The Avenue. I'm going to show you the A side, and it's called Acorn Avenue. These 2 papers are from Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. This paper is called Brick Road, and this one here that has this photoreal print is called Weather the Storm. You're also going to receive a selection of papers from Simple Stories Cozy Days collection. This is Happy Fall Day. You're also gonna receive Chilly Days, so some beautiful florals. And the last one is called Harvest Wishes. These are all from Simple Stories Cozy Days collection. And you're gonna receive 3 more papers from Pink Fresh Studio Days of Splendor. This one here is Like a Dream. It has this constellation, this navy, all these leaves on the side. This one here is called Simply Magical. And this one here is called Totally Splendid, cut apart papers. Now I'm gonna just gather them together to show you what else is included in the the B-sides, not what's included. The B-sides of these papers. The Pink Fresh Studio, the B-side, has again another cut apart. You can cut to build your cards. It's a beautiful paper. Then this one here has this beautiful grid that goes from teal to like a really dark teal, kind of greenish. Beautiful, one of my favorite papers from that collection. The B side of this paper, the constellation, has this steel with some moons in it. And then the B sides of the Simple Stories papers, you have a leaf print. Then you're gonna have this kind of rusty with this pink florals on it. And this one here has this beautiful kind of mustardy brown plaid. Then this probably is one of my favorite papers in the fall lines, and it's from Amy Tangerine's. The B-side has this cream with brown stripes on it. This one is, I'm gonna say, like a rusty tone with pink little dashes, and the Avenue has this blue and green plaid on the background. So these are the papers that come in the add-on kit, not the embellishments. And this is again a fun mix of embellishments. You're gonna get the gold alphas from the Marigold collection. Really nice soft script type alphas for your kit. You're also gonna receive the entire pack of the Cozy Days foam stickers. These are fun. This already has some leaves, it has some banners, it has already some foam words that you can use for your titles. Super fun, and it coordinates with everything. You're also going to receive the chipboard stickers from the Cozy Days collection. Again, just coordinates nicely with the kit. You are also going to receive the cardstock stickers from the Pink Fresh Studio Days of Splendor collection. Has all the colors that you see in the pages. These are great for any type of format that you use for documenting, scrapbooking, pocket pages, the Life Crafted album, traveler's notebooks. These are perfect for it. You're also going to receive the chipboard flare from Days of Splendor from Pink Fresh Studio. And again, just the perfect combination. And this month's ephemera comes from the Days of Splendor collection from Pink Fresh Studio. And this is a really fun ephemera. You have florals. You're going to have this little sweater. You have more leaves. You have some journaling spots. There's an umbrella. Happy little moments, smile often. I'm just going to show you the B side of what it's included in this pack so you have an idea. Again, this cute sofa. Then you have the Everyday Magic. So this is what is coming in your add-on kit. Beautiful kit. Now there's some things that you can add on to your kit this month. that are just gonna help you document more stories, and it's gonna extend the life of your kit. You can find the Marigold Puffy stickers. They came in last month's add-on kit, but you can add them onto your box if you want more of those. You can also add the gold Marigold Puffy alphas, and it's kind of alphas, but it has some sentiments, some florals. So these two are available at our shop. They were part of the add-on from last month, but we have extras so that you can buy if you want more. You can also find the Marigold Floral Ephemera. This is also available in our shop, and it actually complements this kit. It's an add-on. And you also are gonna find two more pieces from the Days of Splendor collection. The puffy sticker, and also the floral ephemera. And the floral ephemera has lots of florals, branches, leaves that you can just add onto your clusters. So all of this are available at our shop as add-ons onto your kit. Now another thing that I want to show you, and I don't have them all right now with me, but is our Christmas kit. We also have add-ons to our Christmas kit. You can find the chipboard stickers, the chipboard frames, the sticker tablet from the Hey Santa collection, and also you're gonna find pieces from Simple Stories Winter Cottage. You're gonna find the die cuts and also the puffy stickers, and all of this match our Sparkle and Joy kit. I'm sure you've seen quite a bit of projects showing up with our kit. We have quite a few guest designers helping us with that. So this is our November 2020 add-on kit. I hope that you pick one up. Remember, you can add it to your box and have all be shipped at once if you're a subscriber. Thank you so much for joining me. I cannot wait to see what you create, and I cannot wait to see to share what I'm going to be doing with it. Take care, guys.